Good morning, class.
Morning.
Today I'm gonna give you a lesson on an introduction to algebraic equations. So we need to solve the linear algebraic equations, and let's look at the definition. It says an equation that uses variables that are raised to the first power. Then usually it has a coefficient in front. The coefficient in front is the constant that's usually in front of a variable, and it has an exponent. Next, like I said, the objection is to find the value of the variable that makes the equation true. Let's look at the step by step how to solve it. It is you have to simplify the equation by combining the like terms. Number one. Number two, isolate the variable. Number three, the value obtained is the solution of the equation. Now let's look at worked out example. Here we have to solve for x first. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. First, we have to simplify by combining the like terms. So in this case, we need to take the minus 3 to the right hand side of the equation. But how we do that is we have to plus 3 on the left and plus 3 on the right. Next, you have to isolate the variable. You see the variable is isolated. 2x is now equal to 10. And then the value obtained, we first have to divide by the coefficient of x. And then in this case, you have to divide by 2 on both sides. And then you see that x is equal to 5.
Sure.
Okay. So let us look at a worksheet of 5 linear algebraic equations. Number 1, 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Number 2, 2x plus 5 equal to 7. Number 3, 3x minus 5 equal to 10. And number 4, 7x minus 1 equal to 30. The fifth one is 2x minus 7 is equal to 3. So for all of these for all of the 5 linear algebraic equations, we need to solve for x. The first step, you need to isolate the variable. So in this case, you have to, like we say normally, take the 3 to the right hand side. With doing this, you have to minus 3 on the left and minus 3 on the right, because what you do on the left of the algebraic equation also needs to be done on the right, so that the solution will still be the same, right? So 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 7 minus 3. Now we have to simplify. You will get 2x equals 4, right? Next, you have to divide by 2 on both sides, right? And then you're going to get x is equal to 2. Number 2. Okay, let's look at the second one. First, isolate the variable. 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 5. What's left on the right hand side is only a 2x equals to 2. Next step, you have to divide by the coefficient, which is 2, right? Divide by 2 on both sides, you're going to get x is equal to 1. Okay? Third one. What do we need to do first? Isolate the variable. Yes. So now you have to plus 5 on both sides, right? So 3x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5. Next, when you simplify, you are going to get 3x is equal to 15. Next, you have to divide by the coefficient of the x. So you divide by 3 on both sides, right? So x is equal to 5. Good students. Now let's look at the fourth one. 7x minus 1. What do you think now?
Isolate.
Plus 1.
Oh shit.
On the right hand side, plus 1. Okay? When you simplify, what's going to be left on the left? 7 eighths equals 14. Okay? What do we do next? We divide by the coefficient, which is 7. So x is equal to 2. Thank you. Can anybody say what we are supposed to do now? Firstly, isolate by doing what?
Plus 7.
Plus 7 on both sides. 2x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 3 plus 7. Simplify the left hand side. What's going to be left? 2x equals 10. Divide by 2, which is the coefficient of the x. Divide by 2 is equal to divide by 2. Okay? So x is then equal to 5. So guys, we consolidate linear algebraic equations. You have to first split the equation into variables on the left hand side and constants on the right hand side. Right. An example is 2x is equal to 10. So split into x's on the left and constants on the right. Next, you have to isolate the variable by dividing by the coefficient on both sides, left and right. So here I divided by 2 the coefficient on the left, and I divided by 2 on the right. So when I divide by 2, I'm going to get on the left hand side x is equal to 5, and basically that is the solution of the equation. So now we say the solution is the value of the variable, right? The solution is the value of the variable. In this case, x is equal to 5. Okay? Yes. That is inconsolable. Thank you.